Dear students, today we'll discuss about Section A, Chapter 1. And chapter name is Introduction to Political Science, page number 7 and 8. And today's our topic is Meaning of Political Science, Modern View. Modern political scientists prefer to use the term politics instead of political science. They define politics as the science of political relations and interactions in every society. They do not accept any distinction between politics and political science and hold that politics is inappropriate name for describing the study of political relations, political actions and political processes. And modern political scientists reject the traditional view of political science as the difference between politics and political science. They define politics is as the process of struggle for power in society or as the process of conflict revolutions in each society. And here some modern definition of political science, and there are so many political thinkers of modern political science like H.J. Price, Kathleen, Robert Dahl, Harold Laswell and Kaplan. Here according to H.J. Price, politics is the exercise of power in society. As a subject of study, politics means the study of power relations in society. Then we have second definition according to Kathleen. Politics is the study of political aspect of organized human society, and politics is a struggle for power and influence. In other words, we can say that politics is the science of power or power relations in society. It studies the exercise of power in society and all such institutions and structures like state government, legislature, executive, judiciary, bureaucracy, police, political elites, political parties, interest groups, pressure groups and others which are directly or indirectly involved in the exercise of power in society are included in the scope of the study of politics. Then we have political science as the study of exercise of power in society. That politics as the system of power, interactions and relations involving the making and implementations of laws, rules and policies for the whole society. That politics as political science is a system of struggle for power in society through which binding and authoritative values are made and implemented for the entire society. Like according to David Stern, political system is a set of interactions through which binding and authoritative values are made and implemented for the entire society. These all are deals with the meaning of political science, modern view.